All right, so let's talk about credit history. So what you want to look for is clerical errors or mistakes, any misspellings. That's what that means. So loan and credit types are labeled correctly. Sometimes they'll put installment loan or, an installment type of credit, but then it's actually, something else. So make sure that they're the exact same across each of the credit reporting agencies. So are your balances accurate? This affects your credit utilization ratio, which is very important. Like we said, you want that real boost. You want to aim for less than 9%. The status dates determines how long items stay on your report. So make sure that the dates are the same with each of the credit reporting agencies, because creditors and debtors are known to falsify renew dates to make things stay on your report longer. This is a dirty game. So you got to know how to protect yourself and how to watch out for those things. And commingled accounts from someone who has a similar name to you. And this also could be a sign of identity theft. You have accounts belonging to a spouse before you were married. Premarital debt has grounds for removal. So sometimes, people that want to merge their two credit files with their spouse, what ends up happening, it's only supposed to have things that are on there from your when y'all got married. So make sure that you look out for that. So incorrect account history, late payments when you paid on time. And oftentimes you'll be able to see that with the consumer accounts, and it's account statuses on your credit report, like under the account history. So creditors not correctly changing the balance when a debt is paid off, incorrectly listed as a cosigner, late payments with no delinquency date. This is grounds for removal. Creditors sell debt to a collection, but the account doesn't reflect on your report. Overdue child support that's more than 7 years old. These are all, errors that you need to find and that you can actually challenge, because you have a right as a consumer to challenge every item on your credit report.